smoke with me. Okay. Been turn this motherfucker up 800 degrees. Whole team eat chefs cause she's a treat.
Guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be reviewing a product called Perfect Line Swiss Wig Concealer. I got mine in the color tan. It applies 2 to 3 shades lighter but looks darker in the tube. It also comes with an instruction card and how to clean your lace afterwards, and it also shows you the ingredients of this product, which I really appreciate. So in the instructions, it says to put the cover tube into a cup of very hot water for 2.5 to 3 minutes, placing the tube top side up in the hot water. As you can see, I'm gonna do that right here. It says that you can also use your blow dryer to warm up the concealer as well, so you have 2 options if you don't want to do the hot water. So right here, I'm gonna start applying it to my lace. As you know, it says to apply it 2 to 3 centimeters from the hairline, so that's what I did. I didn't put any on my hairline. I put it mainly on the back end of the lace. Okay, so here's what it looks like after I've applied the concealer all over the lace. I didn't do a very thick layer because, like I said, this is my first time working with the product, so I didn't want to overdo it and then I mess it up. As you can see right here, I'm applying the wig to my head, and also on the other half of the screen is their Instagram. You guys need to go follow them, check them out. Their customer service is great. They updated me on my tracking. I didn't even have to worry about it. So yeah, you guys really need to go check them out and follow them on Instagram. Alright, so as you can see right here, it is already given scalp. I do not have on a wig cap. I don't see a need to wear a wig cap when you have a product like this, although it is recommended that you still do wear a wig cap just so that you don't get any of the product on your hair. But in my opinion, you don't even need to wear the wig cap. So right here, I'm going to use my Got2b Blasting Free spray to hold my wig down because I don't plan on having this wig on for long. It is very hot and this is a lot of hair. So I'm just going to use this to hold my wig down for a couple days, and yeah. So while I'm doing my baby hairs, I just wanted to come in and let you guys know that there was a clip with a before shot of what the wig looked like before I put the product on, but I don't know what happened to it. It got deleted. I don't know what my phone be doing sometimes, but it will delete clips because there's a lot of videos that I haven't posted that I've recorded where clips have just disappeared. So yeah. Alright guys, if you made it to the end of the video, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and especially hit the thumbs up for me. It would mean a lot. And I'm also including a clip of what it looked like after I was done in the direct sunlight, so you can see that I'm not lying, that it is giving scalp with this product. I really love this product. You guys need to go shop. Alright, bye.